We want to build a brokerage platform which is easy to use. Uh, Easy to use in the sense easy to use for people who are not even financial savvy, and we want them to be able to buy right kind of investments for their requirement. We want to uh, complement this platform by adding rich set of software tools which help people to pick a right instrument for them, helps people to do asset rebalancing as time moves on, and we want to gamify this whole thing, managing money a bit, because it is like a game in which you win sometimes, you make good investments, you lose sometimes, you make wrong choices, and it helps you to understand the whole concept behind it. Uh, then once we have a platform where we can enable people to buy things, we can do a lot more with it, because there is a lot to be done on the personal finance side. We are a very conventionally savings oriented people as Indians, but uh, unfortunately, there is no standard or, or a Google of investments, and I think there's a gap there. So, and nobody has addressed this solution from like design and technology tools. The current solutions have been from people who are already from financial background, and they have brought in something which they understand. So the gap has not been fulfilled. Uh, we think that it could be a big thing if we can enable any if we can enable somebody who has not invested in equity before to now invest in equity oriented mutual fund. It could be a big thing, because then he can do lot more. He can buy insurance. He can, if he has goals like buying a car, buying a house, we can help him in that as well. So once it becomes a go-to portal for all your financial requirements, we can do like tons of things around it, and it could be like the next big thing.